Today we'll be installing an EcoHitch part number X7277 on a BMW i3. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and hit the subscribe button below for any future installs. Start off by opening the rear hatch and removing the license plate. Then remove the one screw located behind the plate. Some vehicles, like this one, will have two. Remove the screws located in the bottom corners of the hatch. Remove one screw from each of the rear wheel wells. Remove the screws along the underside of the bumper fascia. Peel the wheel well liner back and use a flathead or trim removal tool to unclip the bumper. Disconnect all the wires attaching the bumper to the vehicle. Set the bumper aside for now. Remove the wiring harness from the black plastic hangers. Take note of which wire goes where for when you reinstall them later. Then remove the plastic wiring holder. Remove and discard the bolts connecting the crossmember to the vehicle. Trim the underbody panel as shown in the instructions. This can either be done before or after mounting the hitch. Place the hitch over the crossmember. And drop a bolt and flat washer through each of the holes. Secure the bolts with a washer and nylock nut. Remove the bolt located in the center of the vehicle, forward of the hitch. Raise the hitch stiffener plate into position with a plate washer between it and the bolt hole. Secure it with a bolt and washer. Secure the stiffener plate to the hitch with two bolts and washers on the front and washers and nuts on the back. Torque down all the hardware. Trim the wire harness holder to fit the hitch side plates. Remove the antenna located on the plastic wiring holder and relocate it to the underside of the hitch on the passenger side using the supplied Velcro. Ensure the plug is facing to the right. Trim off the portion of the holder that it was mounted to. Reinstall the wire harness into the holder. Follow the guidelines in the instructions to trim the bumper to fit your new EcoHitch. Install the provided trim lock to give your cutout a nice clean appearance. Lift your bumper up and plug the wiring back in. You can now reinstall the bumper. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torqueless products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.